Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. We got trades for Wednesday, 4/18/07, and look, they flipped from green to red in one day. Oh no, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm taking the trade. Let's take a look at it. ESM 70, electronic S&P Emini, Omni's resistance is 1480 to 1481. Currently trading around 1476, so if we rally up a little, we're going to get short in this level, 80 to 81 on the upside. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1484.75. For my regulars, you guys who trade with me all the time, we're selling at 1480 to 81. We have a stop at 84.75. That's a little stop for our style. If you've been following me, you know that's usually a signal that we're about to turn and go in another direction. So who knows? Omni turned, the stops got small. Maybe the market will break here. Let's see. Omni's profit objective for the day is 1464 to 1462 on a pullback or be out by the close. Again, we're going to sell 80-81 area. We're going to keep our stops above 1484.75 and 1464 to 1462 on a nice drop to the downside or be out by the close. In the NASDAQ, another red Omni. It was green yesterday, red today. Let's go with it. Omni's resistance in the NASDAQ is 1855 to 1857. Currently trading around 1846 at the moment. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1865.50. So have your stops above 1865.5 if you get short in the 55 area. Again, like the S&P, that's a relatively smaller stop than usual for us in the NASDAQ. So like the S&P, NASDAQ stops are tightening, likely a turn's coming. We would look to take profit at around 1835 to 1834 on a nice drop after we get short, and if we're lucky enough not to get stopped out, or be out by the close as you would be in the S&P. I have a chart that I'm going to bring up. I'll show that to you when I'm done talking in a few moments. There have been a few people, in fact, there's been a lot of traders in my forum. You guys have great eyes for technical analysis. I love what you're sending. There's been a lot of you guys sending me in mirror image formations to qualify for you. A lot of your mirror images have not met the qualifications to be considered a mirror image formation. You need leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3 before you know what you can do. So that chart that I'll bring up will be based on that. And let's take a look at that and we'll see what happens. So ladies and gentlemen, right here you have leg 1 and leg 2 of a mirror image formation. Leg 1 and leg 2 are of about the exact same highs and lows with almost exact opposite opens and closes. That we have, leg 1, leg 2, opposite closes, opposite opens, and the exact same high and low. That is perfect. Leg 1, leg 2. Leg 3 is the third day. We had a market that opened and dipped down into the first leg 1 and leg 2, mirror formation, and then decided to rally out. That is our buy signal. That gives us day 1, day 2. Nice rally out of the hole we should get. This is a classic mirror image formation. Please do not try to curb fit your formations to make them look as if they are mirror images. They must qualify. It is very important to have your 2 legs in place and your third leg give you the indication of the move, which way we will go. Okay, so you've seen the chart. You see that mirror image, so I want you guys to do your homework on these mirror images. I have no problem qualifying them for you. Send them in. I'll make sure that they're mirror images before I send you guys off to trade them. But don't curb fit them yourself. Don't try to make it appear to be a mirror image just because your eye says, ooh, mirror image. It has to have those qualifications that I told you about looking at that chart just a few moments ago. If you want to know more about that mirror image and you'd like to learn about it in person, come on down to Vegas. I'm going to be doing the money show at the Mandalay Bay, May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th. So come on down. We're going to do a show. We're going to have lots of seminars. We're going to be around at least 4.5 days. You guys will have access to us at all times. So, hey, come on down. Let's get to know one another. If you are going to come to the show, shoot me an email at oscarinvegas@gmail.com. If you'd like to give me a telephone call at any time, you know me, I'm always manning these phones. Give me a call at 718-351-2266. I speak about flash updates in every video. For you newcomers, flash updates are our method of making adjustments to our trades once we get you guys into a trade. If you're following me tomorrow and I get you short S&P at 1480, 81 in that level, I may send out a flash update to alert you to changes to our stops and or take profit or loss. You need to know what I'm thinking and what I'm sending out. In order to get on our flash updates database, simply go to our website, www.futurestraders.com. Fill out a registration form that puts you on the flash updates just like that. If you'd like, while you're watching our YouTube videos at our YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts, hit the subscribe button, and that will allow YouTube to send you the video the moment we put them out. I don't think I have anything else that we need to cover in this video. Mikey, is there anything that you'd like for me to cover that I let get past me today?
Let's get that email out.
You would, the Futures Analysts. If you'd like to send me a direct email, send me an email at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. I read all my emails, as you guys know. I will certainly get back to you on that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you this every day. I want you to say this with me. I want you to say this to yourselves in the morning. I want you to say this every time you think about changing a stop or getting nervous or moving out of the way of a market that you've already had planned orders set in place for. And you know what that is, right? Stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.